Seafox is a business support service that's working with both the private and public sector organisations. It was formed 18 months ago and is part of the wider Seafront group of companies that's based in Kristiansand in Norway. We're based in Grimsby, North East Lincolnshire, which is the home of the UK's largest ports and logistics sector, and also the home of one of the largest seafood processing centres in Europe. Typically on ports and logistics, we're working with businesses that want to increase their market share, that want to increase their commercial awareness of their products, not just locally, nationally, but also internationally. We're working today with a new shipping line that's operating from Gothenburg in Sweden into Killingholme to establish market awareness in the UK, develop their volumes that they ship between the UK and Sweden and vice versa.
We can carry up to 166 trailers. It's a very busy river, made even more interesting by the strong tides that Humber is quite famous for. It's a very smooth operation. They seem to have plenty of experience and they can work several ships at one time.
Seafox has got two core focuses, business consultancy. It's also 12 months ago introduced a funding and grants service.
I've been working with Simon and Seafox since the inception of the company. It's been very successful up to now in getting grant funding for my members with various projects. We've also been involved in factory extensions, acquisitions of businesses. So it's an all-round business event that we're doing, and I find that the Seafox personnel are very amenable, very professional, and they deliver what they say.
I provide a service to all types of organisations that are looking for help to meet their business objectives. Money is available from the government, from Europe and from the UK government, to help companies, charities, other organisations to do things that they otherwise wouldn't be able to afford to do, or perhaps they do in a shorter time frame, or perhaps they do less of. In my career, I've worked in grants and funding for the past 8 years. I've secured over £55 million worth of funding. Since working at Seafox, so I've been here for a year, I've raised in excess of £5 million, mainly for businesses, but also some funding for charities as well.
Seafox, the seafood village, has helped the individual tenants to get their grant funding from the European Fisheries Fund. So they've been a big involvement and a big help.
Our core values are centred around creative thinking, innovation and professionalism. We are a small team. We do have quick decision-making processes, and we want to be flexible towards not just companies locally but also companies nationally, and also the companies that we're working with abroad.
To find out more about Seafox, you can log on to our website, email info@seafox.no, or you can download our app or follow us on Twitter.